My video guide will provide you with help to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called biodiversity. This particular extension functions as the typical adware. Currently, this extension, biodiversity, is spread through numerous fake browser update alerts. These fake alerts may be presented as some important Chrome updates, but if people mistakenly agree to implement such fake Chrome updates, they are actually installing unwanted browser extensions like biodiversity. The extension, in its turn, may cause unwanted browser directions to random websites and display ads not related to the websites that you visit. So if you have noticed any unwanted alterations into the way your browser operates, you should get rid of biodiversity extension, and also you should remove other third-party extensions you don't need. Now here comes the good question: how to remove unwanted extensions from Google Chrome browser. First thing you should do is to access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. In case this extension was mistakenly installed into the Google Chrome browser, you should disable the extension and then remove the extension completely. So this should fix the issue. And of course, remember to be careful whenever you surf the internet. Do not install any third-party programs that could be bundled with some free applications. Also, carefully research the list of your available programs in the control panel, so if you find any suspicious software, don't hesitate to uninstall it regularly. And finally, I would recommend you to investigate your computer with the Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download it using this green button. Install the application and start researching your system with its help to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.